Start at the beginning. You can see the suggested topics that you can pick from. Then you can see places as well, so you can go to different places if you want to choose. People, if there's people that you'd want to follow. And then, of course, the sources. I already had picked mine, so now when I go to my own ground news, you can see the saved stories. I've saved 2 stories from previous readings. And we're going to go to the home button, and that's where all the top stories are breaking right now. And you can scroll through and see different ones, and these were based on different topics. Wow, quite a bit of news going on right now in the world. That's that pop there. The map is if there was news right in your local area. And then there's a discover button if you wanted to look at some other things that are happening, like we can put that as a topic. And then when something new happens there, we'll be seeing it back at the home button as well. Go into my feed here. And again, here we go looking at some of the different stuff that I had plugged in. So as you can see, it's very easy to use. And when you click on a story, let's look at this particular story, you can see if you hit the bias button as what's center and what's leaning. Lean right is there, lean left is there. So you get to pick, which stories are more right in the center if you don't want to have them be biased. So you get to really pick and choose what you want to see. Again, I'll do that again here for you as well. Also gives you the time, how long ago. This was an hour ago, 31 minutes ago. And locations, if you want to know if they were US, the UK, etc. So that's very helpful as well. And again, you've got that coverage analysis. Very cool. What's on the left, what's in the center. There's no right on this particular story. Let's see if we can find something a little bit different on something about the economy. This may have more coverage analysis. You can see there's a lean right story on that one. And again, there's a bias here. This is the only story so far. And the time on that was just 16 minutes ago. So you can see how relevant things are when you go to Ground News app. And again, this is the pro version that I have. And if you want the free 30 days, it's Lisa Sicard is the code, as you would see in my blog post. But I'm loving this app, and I think you will too. It's really fabulous. Oh, here's something about a dog. And again, 7 minutes ago, that was from the US, the story. And it's leaning toward the right. Cincinnati Enquirer is the one that did it. And then you can go in and actually read the whole story if you want. So that's how the app works. And you get to pick and choose the news. Now, if you wanted to share this is a nice story. I think I'm going to share this right onto my Twitter feed. Let's see if we tweet it out here. Here we go. Very easy. Done. So I hope you enjoyed the Ground News app, the pro version. And again, use the code Lisa Sicard so that you can get 30 days free of the pro version. Thank you.